Today, we're going to dive into how to establish effective payment terms to financially protect your business. Hey, my name is Morgan Law, and I'm from FindPoints.biz, and my goal is to help business owners and bookkeepers better manage their finances. Today, I am partnering with QuickBooks on a video series to help business owners better run their business. As a self-employed freelancer or small business owner, you know how crucial it is to get paid on time. So today we're going to talk about some common payment terms. We're going to say what they are and how to use them. Before we get any farther, I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel down below. If you're more of a reader, there's also going to be an article linked in the description box. Payment terms are an agreement that sets expectations for how and when you're going to get paid. And it also includes penalties for a missed payment. Having those clear payment terms really helps your customers pay on time, and it also makes the process a lot easier for them. The components of payment terms typically include number 1, invoice date. Number 2, the total payment amount due. Number 3, the payment date and the period of time the client has to pay it. Number 4, stipulations for an advance or deposit. Number 5, payment plan details. And number 6, a list of accepted payment methods. I also recommend putting an invoice number on your invoice. That just helps you organize them chronologically. And then don't forget to include contact information on there too so clients know how to get in touch with you. Payment terms are essential when negotiating a contract. This really helps maximize how quickly the invoice is paid and minimize inconvenience. Always include payment terms on your invoice, but make sure you discuss them with the client first. Here are some examples of payment terms. Prepayment. Using these terms, customers pay you in advance. This reduces the risk of losing money and improves cash flow. But depending on the type of your business, not all customers may be comfortable paying upfront, so you also might want to consider a partial payment. 50% upfront. So this is when the customer pays you half of it before you start. This is great for customers because their payments are smaller then, but just make sure you define when the other 50% is going to be due. Installment agreements. So this is when the total cost is broken up into smaller installments. And this can be done in time, so maybe every 3 months you get another installment from your client, or it can be done when you complete certain parts of the project. Immediate payment or payment upon receipt. So this just means that you get paid as soon as the goods or services are delivered. And you can even negotiate within the contract that if you don't get paid right away, you can repossess the goods. Net 7, 10, 15, 30, 60, or 90. These terms refer to the number of days that you have to pay the invoice. So for example, net 30 just means that it has to be paid within 30 days of the invoice date. Subscriptions and retainers. So this has your client paying a regular, reoccurring amount for a set period of time, such as monthly or annually. Automating invoicing for recurring payments really helps you save time on collecting those payments. Early payments. So you can choose to offer a discount if customers pay you early. And this is a win-win because customers get that discount and you get your cash sooner. Here are some tips to help create effective payment terms. Number 1, define the payment terms in a contract. So you and the client should work together to come up with payment terms that work for both of you. Do that before the work begins. And then make sure you put that in writing in a contract. The contract is also a great place to outline any late fees that will be imposed for past due invoices. Number 2, invoice promptly for on-time payments. So as soon as the work is completed, make sure to invoice your customer right away. This is going to avoid late payments and also help your business with cash flow. Putting together a concise, easy to understand invoice is going to go a long way in making sure that they're paid on time. The right tools can help cash keep flowing into your business. As a bookkeeper, I use QuickBooks to send and track invoices, to accept payments, and to automate follow-up reminders. I do this both for my business and my clients' businesses. QuickBooks makes it super easy and I've been using it for about 8 years. Leave me a comment down below about one thing that you learned today. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel down below. Hit the red button. Thank you so much for watching.